Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to design a professional looking logo with your phone using Pixellab. So follow along and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Firstly, open the Pixellab app and change your background into black. Draw a heart icon using rectangles and circles. Merge everything together and give it a color. Now scale it down and place it at a quadrant of the canvas. Duplicate the heart icon 3 times and place each heart at a quadrant of the canvas. With the crop tool, reflect them and use the grid as a guide. Then, merge the 4 hearts together and scale it down to make this smaller. Here, our shape is done, and the next step is to type out the text. With the text tool, type the name of the logo, in this case, Greenville Pharmacy. The name of the font used here is Railway Black and extra bold. I will link the site you can get this below. Note that the pharmacy text is lesser in weight and smaller than Greenville. This places an emphasis on the business name before the business. Next, align everything to the center and save it as your project. Next, merge the text and icon together and give it a color. Here we are using green as it is relevant to health and good life. Now the logo is ready, and the next step is to place it on a mock-up and give it a 3D real-life look. Change the canvas size to that of your mock-up and import it. Now place the logo at the center of the canvas and then adjust the 3D and shadow effects. And by the way, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be glad to meet you. So that's it, our logo is ready now. Check out any of these videos to make more awesome stuffs with your phone, and I'll see you there.